Yes, that is guys. Look at my sweet. It's just for a couple of minutes, but I'm already sweating. So it's very early in the morning, 5 a.m. here in Japan, guys, and I am walking. Kamusta na? Umaga yan siya, guys. So, sobrang ganda ng sky. Unfortunately, parang hindi ko ata ayun, napapalabas na ata yung hindi ko ma-capture yung sa taas, siya. Kung maybe in the 3rd floor, I will beautifully capture the sunrise. But for now, guys, let's go for a walk, an early walk first. Wait a minute, there's a car. Let's go for an early walk. Exercise. This is good for the body, for the health, of course. And this can also, can help maintain your body in fit. So we are walking right now, an early walk. Para tanggal-tanggal yung kahit paano may matanggal na 1 gramo man lang ng taba, guys. Diba? So, simple lang dyan. Tingnan mo, even the dog had an early walk also. Napakabait ng alam mo mga Japanese dito, alagang-alaga talaga nila yung yung mga, halimbawa may pet sila na aso. Well, I think almost of the Japanese ay gustong-gustong mag-alaga ng dogs, pet na dogs. And they're very, very nice because they also take time to make their pet pasyal-pasyal, you know. Ang English, oh my goodness. Look at the sun. I think the sun will come out in any minute. You will barely see people walking this early in the morning. Well, lahat ng, I think, kukunti lang talaga yung makikita mo dito na naglalakad. Siguro kasi, halos lahat ng tao dito may sasakyan. So, kunti lang. Few only of the people are walking, almost are riding on the car, and if you have no car, they're oh my goodness, excuse my breathing. I just walked for a couple of minutes and then I'm out of breath already. Oh my goodness, this is very dangerous. Wala na, taba-taba talaga. So let's just stop by for a minute to my favorite convenience store, the Family Mart. So here we are. I'm back. We are done in the convenience store. Sumaglit lang ako sa convenience store because delicates. Baka makabili na naman tayo ng mga sweets, guys. Convenience store has a lot of sweets, desserts, and you know me, I love desserts. So here we are. We're walking. Oh my goodness. You know what? I just walked for a couple of minutes and I'm already out of breath. So early in the morning is the best exercise to walk. It's the best exercise, guys. It's a walk, walking. Best exercise. And also, I just walked for a couple of minutes and I'm already sweating. Yes, that is, guys. Look at my sweat. It's just for a couple of minutes, but I'm already sweating. You've been wondering why my hair is down. while I'm on walking. Para ano guys, mahirap akong ang tawag doon. Mahirap lumabas yung, iwan ko ba? Lumabas yung mga pawis ko. Pag nakatali yung buhok ko, syempre naano yan ang hangin. Hindi masyadong malabas yung pawis ko. So pag nakababa yung buhok ko guys, may init na. So yung pawis lalabas. Oh my God, Lord. So let's go. Another minutes and then it's okay. It's not ano. For me you don't have to walk an hour or how many hours. For me it's enough for just 30 minutes or 30 minutes more. It's enough for you to exercise your body. Early morning is the best time to walk. Yung hindi pa guys, because alam niyo kung bakit, the sun is not yet up, so hindi mainit. You're free from the burning of the sun. So okay siya. And my sweat is, oh my goodness, I really feel the sweat in my whole body. So it's really good exercise. And I really woke up, I sleep early. Alam niyo na, ang YT minsan nakakapagod. Maaga ako natulog guys. I sleep early, so you know, I woke up so early also. So it's really good to wake up so early because you can do a lot of things early also. So my morning is a really good, because I am exercising, walking, and then an exercise. So it's really good. It's a nice day today. And it's actually, oh my goodness, it's Saturday. It's weekend, guys. So I hope everyone are resting or whatever you want to do. Just be careful, guys. Wherever you go, always be careful. Have fun and enjoy the weekend. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I want to do today, but I'll definitely go out when the sun is up. That's it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Let's take the shortcut. Oh my goodness, nag-shortcut. Nag-shortcut ang lola niyo, guys. Pagod. Napagod bigla, no? Hindi naman. It's okay for me to walk. It's okay for me to walk. Just 30 minutes. Yes. I can't go on if it's 1 hour. This is enough for me. The sun is already up. Maybe. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for being with me on my early walk. I'll see you around, guys. Blessed weekend to everyone. Have fun, enjoy, and God bless. Thank you for watching.